Hello everyone, my name is Igor, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the differential fluid on a 2014 Cadillac Cts with 2.0 turbo engine. It's this guy right here. Differential fluid these cars are using is 7590 Dexron approved synthetic gear oil. So this is the one I picked up from the Cadillac dealership. And the capacity on the differentials in these cars it's roughly 1.8 quarts. So we're gonna replace the fluid right now, and then obviously first thing we need to do, we need to jack up the car and put it on a jack stand. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So when you got your car jacked up, you need to drain the old fluid off the differential first, and to do that there is a drain plug right here. So you need to just unscrew it and dump the old gear fluid in some kind of pan. I have a pan right here, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So after you drain all the fluid, you want to put your drain plug back in, and you need to torque it down to the spec. And the spec for this torque plugs is 29 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm gonna take my torque wrench right now and torque it down to the spec. So right here, 25 and 4, 29 foot-pounds of torque. Now it's torqued down. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew the fuel plug, which is right here, and that's where we're gonna put the new fluid in. So I got the fuel plug out. There is the rubber O-ring on it, so make sure you don't lose it. Here is the pump. This is how it looks. There is two tubes, one goes here, another one goes here, and from one end it's gonna pump up the fluid from the container, and obviously the other hose gonna put the fluid back into the differential. So I'm gonna assemble it real quick. So 1/4 is in. Right now I'm gonna take the other bottle and do the same thing. So looks like our differential already filled with the gear oil. I'm just gonna let it drain the excessive oil from the fuel plug, and when it stops, that means our differential is full and to the correct level of the gear oil, and that's it. Okay, it seems like it stopped draining fluid from the fill up hole, so I'm gonna put the plug back in, torque it down, and that's it. So just like that, we replaced the differential fluid in our Cadillac, and right now we are gonna be good to go for another 45,000 miles. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. I hope it was helpful for you and gonna save you a little bit of money, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned.